Hey guys, welcome to Dubai Property Tips. Another quick little tip. First of all, apologies for not doing this more regularly. I've realized that there are people out there who are benefiting from these videos. They've written to me as such, and some of them actually then sign up exclusively to work with me as their personal advisor. So I'm going to make more of these because I can't work with everybody because there's one of me in 24 hours. But obviously you can benefit from these videos. This is for buyers, and I actually caught an agent, a representative of a developer in the fucking act, right? Here's what happened. I had a customer, a client who I was advising on an exclusive basis. Obviously, it's very different from being just a regular sales Joe. Because as an advisor, I want the client to be able to buy the best property out there. Not just any property, but the best value property, right? We go visit a developer that has launched an off-plan project. Off-plan means it's still under construction, or they've just launched it. Massive, huge component of apartments and townhouses in a very key location in Dubai. Very good location that's going to have like a huge upward potential in the future in the next 2-3 years. I don't want to name the developer and I don't want to name the actual location, but I want you to be able to learn exactly what happened so that you can then take away from it and apply it in the buying decisions that you make, right? That's the whole idea. So we went there, visited it, huge location, looked at the show apartments that they had built, looks nice. Comes down to where's the swimming pool, you know, the gym facilities, and then he tells us we've got an Olympic-sized swimming pool, huge, massive 20,000 square feet gym, state-of-the-art, world-class. Great, we're excited, we like it, right? Good. But as part of my research and due diligence, I tell my buyer, we're not going to buy right now. What we're going to do is, I as your advisor, I'm going to visit another community that this developer has delivered. So just to make sure, this is a tier 2 developer. It's not tier 1 like Emaar or Dubai Properties or one of the other tier 1 developers. It's a tier 2, but it's massive, right? And I said to my buyer, I'm going to visit one of their other communities, also in a very good location, and they've actually delivered like 15 plus buildings in one community. I'm going to check out the quality there, right? So my buyer says, yeah, sounds good, Fahd. My buyer comes and tags along with me. We go and we look at the quality of the buildings that they're delivered. We're not very impressed. So that's fine, right? Not everybody's going to give you A-grade luxury quality with absolutely great finish. That's fine. But your buying decision should be based on that. Because if a developer shows you a certain apartment built in their office tower, this is the quality that's going to be finished, your apartment is going to be finished at. And then when you go and see the actual quality of the work that they've done, you should be able to make a buying decision knowing that, you know what, they've shown me that quality, but I know that it's the actual quality that's going to get delivered is only going to be 80%. And that's fine. You can make a buying decision. And I call that an informed buying decision. So I'm not actually going to talk to you about the quality of the finish that they were making. I'm actually more concerned about what he told me. He told me that there was an Olympic-sized swimming pool, Olympic-sized gym, open to all the community members. Now I went to this community that they've already delivered. First of all, I find the pool, which is not an Olympic-sized pool. It's fairly large, but it's not Olympic-sized. I've seen an Olympic-sized pool, right? I've traveled the world. And there's a big gym facility. Great. It's well maintained. It's quite large. Do you know what's not the good part about that? Is it was 350 odd dirhams per adult to use the facilities and the pool. So here's a community delivered, and we know, you know, Dubai's got 6 months nice weather, 6 months hot weather. People love using the pool. Even if they don't like using the pool, they love having it there. If I'm renting out apartments, I love telling my tenants the pool's available for you, the gym's available for you. That's a great upsell for me. But then to tell the tenants that you're going to have to pay for this, that's not fair. That's not going to cut it, mate. That's outright just, you know. And I called the agent after that. I said, you know what? I went to the community, and guess what? It's a paid pool. So technically my landlord, my owner or my buyer is going to actually have to pay for the membership for his tenants, or if he doesn't do that, the tenants are going to have to pay it for themselves. Now that's fine. The difference is the developer's representatives needs to tell you that. oh yeah, we're trying a new concept. You're not going to be able to use the pool for free. It's going to be paid. Thereby, we're able to bring the service charges lowered on everybody because you don't have to pay for the pool. Only those who use it pay for it. Get it? Just be transparent. And buyers, if you are looking for a transparent process to buy a bloody apartment, ask the right questions or get in touch with the experts. And it doesn't have to be me. Go to any trusted advisor or friend who's referred to you, who you know is going to advise you and ask the right questions on your behalf. That's the moral of the story. You know, buyer beware and know what are the questions and what are the things to do. All right, until next time, guys.